Nagpapalit po tayo dito sa loob ng Phil Flying V Arena para po sa SVL on Primetime, labanan ng UP Lady Maroons at ng Pocari Sweat Lady Warriors na nakauna na dito sa ating first set. Coach Ronnie, tell us what happened in that first set.
Well, mainit ang naging simula ng Lady Maroons. They had a 3-point lead at the onset. Sila ang nagsaing, but in the end, ang Pocari Lady Warriors ang naghain dahil lumabas yung height advantage, dala ng kanilang blocking, talking about the blue shirts. At maski mabigat yung depensa sa digs lang UP, in the end, it boiled down to kill blocks sa bandang dulo. And of course, yung masasabi natin na height advantage para maka-atake ng mabilis sa mga quick hits, itong sila Caxits. And I think the numbers will illustrate yung superiority ng Pocari sa attacks. Although sa reception may problema sila, UP plus 8 service aces. Yung 11 service aces na yan, pandalawang laro na yan for some other teams. But UP's efficiency sa service line, enabling them to stay in the hunt, stay close, but eventually yung huling 3 puntos kinuha ng mabilis ng Pocari para may sara yung pinto laban dito sa UP.
Imagine that, you have 11 service aces in the first set and you still lose by 5.
Hindi sila maka-attack.
Grabe, ano?
So nabawi at nabura.
Kaya nga eh. J-Tronics, SVL of course, always bringing you entertainment there on TV and of course here inside the venue. By the way, for those who have no access sa ating SNA, you can always watch on sports.abs-cbn.com/UAP/livestream/BLeague. Sorry, galing akong UAP.
Sabi ni Lau,
Yes.
nag-field trip daw si Nicole Chamson. Kaya
So
wala
school
siya
related.
dito.
School
Oo.
related. I said thank you for the pizza. I know that you heard me loud.
Father Bet at Butch Gandarosa.
Nanonood?
Mukhang may pizza rin. At
Uy!
habang nanonood,
Ayun, salamat. Oh, Balde.
happy birthday, Father Bet.
Balde with a good save. A good get. Ayun na naman. Another get from Balde na ibalik sa kabila ang bola. Good block. Good reaction.
That's the best digging team at work. Once again, yung core defense yan ang pamato. Yan ang armas ng UP laban dito sa superior na attackers na tangan
Ito yung una.
ng Pocari. Yan.
Nakuha. Yung isa. Bumangon ka agad. Nakuha yung pangalawa.
Bilis ng transition at conversion. And in the end, ang nag-backpedal pa dun sa palitan na yun, ang kumpanan ng Pocari.
Maki pa. Tolenada. Binigay na naman kay Maki. And this time, she finds an open spot.
Pag silip ko pala, nakaangat na eh. Your blocking has to be quicker than this.
Yes.
Pag nauna siya, maski nandun ka, pababa na yung bola. Isa mo to try to hustle, but Maki ties this second set at 1 point apiece.
Kai serving as our setter for UP. Dorog overshoots the runway.
Try to find the gap in that wall. Pero overcooking yung palo niya. At kanina sa makuha ng first set, only 5 attack points para sa UP, scoring 11 points on service aces.
Balde. Scowling dun sa kanyang binigay sa kanyang
Ganda
dig.
naman ang read nito, Linada.
Oo. Isa pa. Michelle. That's out. She had the right idea.
Right.
Ball is out.
Yung power tip ni Michelle ay nalinis.
2-all.
At kung titignan natin, hindi lang yung dalawang North American reinforcements ang tangan ni Coach Romel. Iris Tolinada is the head for San Francisco State. Isang Phil-American.
It's a loaded team.
Of course. You were saying?
And you know what? For the whole of SPL, gaganda pa yung competition because again, the reinforcements now starting to play. POC,
Tama. Incidentally, UP also was supposed to parade some reinforcements, pero apparently, a little delay, alam mo naman, alaga nila yung cohesion.
Correct.
Yan ang bala nila for
Correct.
the upcoming UAP season. So they decided eventually
Ano lang?
to play an all-local roster.
The way UST approached this season, who are, by the way, you'll get to watch them later on against the likes of Valdez and their reinforcements. The Bureau of Customs
And
Transformers.
before today, they won 4 straight games to
Oh.
lead the pack at
Bigat.
4-0.
With so many players playing so well.
And no reinforcements at all.
No, yun nga, sabi nga natin, katulad ng UP, no reinforcements. Pamela Lastimosa back, diba? EJ Laure better than ever. Carla Sandoval having a tremendous year.
The
Here in
emerging
the Shakey's
star.
Field
The
League.
emerging star for USD.
And then maybe an appearance with CC Rodina.
Right.
Erica Aquino.
Laking bagay ng pagbalik talaga ni Pam Lastimosa. Nakalma si EJ Laure.
Leader yun.
Pareho she needs to display.
Pareho tayo ng opinion. Coach Ron, yan din ang sabi ko.
Napakabigat sa balikat talaga yan. First year player siya.
Kapitan
Sophomore.
pa.
Kapitan.
Kapitan
Mabigat
pa.
yun. Hindi madaling maging designated na
Erica
captain of the
Aquino,
shooting kama.
serving.
Aquino. So mamaya po yan, BOC versus UST right after this UP. Bocari. Match. Tolenada chooses. Uy, medyo na
dikit.
set. Yes. Nagawan pa ng paraan ni Myla Pablo yun. Kaya lang, bumalik ang bola.
Wala ng coverage siya likuran ni Myla Pablo.
Pablo averaging 8.5 points so far.
She scored 8 points in their last win. But did not play in the third set. Pinalaro na ni Coach Rommel yung mga ibang players. Mabigyan naman exposure. Like, Siyempre, didiin ka sa reinforcements mo. But of course, gusto rin niyang alagaan yung kumpiyansa ng kanyang mga trusted na mga players na nagbigay ng kampyonato sa kanya.
Yes. Kaya nga minsan sinasabi natin, Coach Ronnie, those numbers have to be taken in context.
Oo
diba?
naman. Oh,
That's a nice block. That's a morale-boosting block.
Lost Jackson.
Buitre and Molde conniving for it against Catsits.
perfect timing para dito kay Buitre.
Serving.
Who's been sick also, by the way.
Oo, kita mo rin yung haba nitong si Buitre. No? Buitre so far 11 points in 2 games.
Service error.
5.5 point average. Service error. Dahil sa
by
isang
one.
team na
6 to
nagpulsa ng
5.
11 service aces sa ating unang set.
Kumabaw, serving.
Serving team captain.
6 serving 5.
Michelle
Alam mo, lagi
Kumabaw.
natin binabanggit yung mga goals ng mga team.
Right?
Because it's very different sometimes how they approach the season. Katulad nga, sabi natin, UST and UP, alam natin naghahanda sa UAP. Pero mga team na katulad ng BOC, Bocari, they wanna win now. And they wanna win the championship. Ganun ang...
Maliwanag yan.
Ganun ang mission niya.
Maliwanag ang plano nila. Sa pagdala lang ng ganito kabibigat na reinforcements, highly touted sa
Right.
North America. Alam mo talaga kung ano ang plano.
Kumabaw.
Intention.
Serving.
In the meantime, tignan natin kung anong plano ni Laura Liman dito sa loob ng arena. Lau?
Boom and Ronnie, pangarap ni Princess Geyser maging doktor at bilang isang 5th-year player, sinusulot niya ngayon ang kanyang thesis. Pero syempre, sa sobrang mahal niya ng volleyball, yung thesis tungkol sa volleyball din. Ayon kay Princess, if the relationship between a coach and a player is good, then mas maging maganda yung relasyon at yung kapananan. If the coach's perception of himself is equal to the perception of the players, then magiging mas maganda at kitang-kita na medyo mahirap at complicated na to kapamilya. Pero sabi ni Princess na yung mahalaga dito is kailangan niya ma-interview ang iba't ibang coaches at players ng UAE. Kahit na si Coach Ty na hindi marunong mag-English, so yun ang laban. But of course, before we go, happy birthday sa aming pinakabonggang floor director, Mickey Mira Bueno. Siya po ang babae na nakikita niyong sa gilid ng camera na nag-pregame. Balik sa niyo, Boom and Ronnie.
The Twirl Queen nga, tawag natin, the Twirl Queen.
Kompleto.
8-6. We'll talk about Pia Geyser and her thesis when we come back.
Boom and Ronnie, kasama ko si Cathy Bersola of the UP Lady Maroons. Cathy, sa tingin mo, ano ba ang pakakulang ng team last game?
I think kinulang kami sa sense of urgency and nabayaan lang namin yung game na ayun, sila na yung kumuha. Wala kaming ginawa about it.
At ano ba ang plano ng team ngayon para makontain ang 2 bagong imports ng Pocari Sweat?
I guess we just have to commit to their imports and the other players as well kasi lahat naman sila gumagawa and you know, anticipate their plans and their moves for later.
Alright, good luck Cathy at good luck mamaya. Balik sa inyo, Boom and Ronnie.
Thank you, Lau. Thank you, Cathy. Pia, Cathy, Nicole Tiamzon. These are all experiencing the UAP for the very last time this year.
Super seniors.
Yes, they're super seniors. They're so busy in school. Yun nga, Pia talking about her thesis, talking about coaches. And she's been through a number of coaches too.
Right.
Whether it's from high school or dito lang sa UAP. And syempre gusto niya graduate na makakuha ng kampyonato para sa UP. But these are the things that we're talking about, Coach Ronnie, that they have to balance ang nakikita lang minsan ng tao is what they see on TV. Oh, naglalaro volleyball, sama ng laro niya, sama ng araw niya. But
Hirap kaya mag-aral at balanse. Tandaan natin, iba na yung school calendar.
oh, then they have to deal with social media, the friends, and all that.
That
These are
complicates it more.
realities of life for them.
Different generation.
Right. In the meantime, they are down by 4 here. And a chance to cut it. 10-6 po ang ating talaan. Soft kill by Carlos. That one was strong, but so was the block.
Napakaganda ng net defense dito nila, Tots Carlos. At yan yung nagpapatikit sa kanila rito. I thought they were lucky in this sequence. Because I felt that Caxits had chances to close out that last point para sa kanila. Instead, yung pinabiyayaan because of yung masipag nilang net defense.
At Aniel, parang bagyo talaga ang galing ng Pocari. Humahagupit all the way from Camarines Sur. Ay, kakabanggit lang natin. At ingat kayo dyan.
Oo.
Let's go, Universidad ng Pilipinas. Coach Ronel Abella on your screens. Watching in Nueva Ecija. Nabanggit din natin yan. Kahit bumabagyo ang signal number 3. Hindi biro yan, ha? Pero mabuti na nandun kayo sa loob ng bahay. Ang lamig ng panahon, mainit ang labanan. Sabi ni Miss Togan, go Pablo. As Maki again puts it away.
Ang problema para dito sa depensa ng UP, maski number 1 sila sa digs. Hindi lang bagyong Pablo yung nandito eh. Merong tropical depression,
Yun.
Caxits. At hurricane na si back attack Bri Maki. Tatlo-tatlo.
Goro. Back to Bree.
Oh,
And
nice
another
pancake.
pancake get. But they're gonna call a lift. Not on her.
Touches.
Baka on Dorog dun sa second touch yata, Coach Ronnie. If we can see that sequence again.
Biggest day para dito sa Pocari here in the second set. This is good.
That's legit.
And
Ito yata.
ito.
Yeah, na double contact, Coach.
Lifting ang tinawag.
Lead is
Uy,
4.
sobra yan.
Too much muscle behind it.
Had the right idea by pushing the ball really deep. Pero makita mo sa flick ng wrist, alam mo mahaba. Yung tulak dito. That push.
Bumiyahe yung bola.
Hindi bumaba eh.
Oo.
Tots Carlos serving.
Carlos with her mean jump serve. Tolenada. Back to Maki.
Matthew
Excellent reception for Pocari. Deflating that exact serve coming from Carlos.
Substitution.
Once again, when Pocari is able to
9 out.
receive well.
Bersola
Na hindi nila ganong nagawang mabuti dun sa first set. Mahirap silang depensahan. Back to another 4-point lead para
Serving.
dito sa Lady
Iris
Warriors.
Tolenada.
It's a perfect setup by Kailing to Kathy Bersola. You see the height was perfect, the flight was
Sakto.
perfect.
Sakto yung quick play na yan. Beating the best blocking team
Serving.
sa ating
Rose
conference.
Keeling.
Bersola finally nails one for UP.
Alquino.
It's a much improved Alpino
Withdraw.
para sa Pocari. Tandaan natin, nandiyan din si Shola Alvarez pa na naglaro para sa Iriga City ng first conference. Meron pang Elaine Casilag, meron pang si Dadang.
Bree Mackey
Dadang
serving.
Eh, yung pambalanse ni Coach Romel, starters na sa ibang teams yan.
Buitre. Quicker attack for her. And yeah, that's a classic Myla Pablo approach, attack, and the kill.
It took a while for Iris Tolenada to get used sa kanyang mga bagong teammates. Na dati, ang playmaker ng Pocari sa winning run nila, si Giselle C. Nandyan pa rin si Giselle C. Pero spot shooting. Pero ngayon, better. Makikita mo yung connection between Tolenada and the rest of the multiple attackers ng Pocari.
Who's, by the way, very tall. I mean, not very tall, but taller than Chelsea. So nagagamit nila in other areas.
I've seen her play and covered her dun sa kanyang unang salta dito sa Pilipinas. At hindi siya nagwagiro dito sa kanyang pagbabalik. Makita mo, she's really out to win it all for Pocari.
Tolenada goes back to Michelle Gumabao. And this time, she knew what to do. Swipe it off Isa Molde for a 5-point lead. 16-11. Magbabalik po kami.
Boom and Ronnie, kasama ko si Bree Mackey ng Team Pocari Sweat. Bree, you guys have 3 imports on your team. So how are you feeling with team chemistry?
Well, what's been nice is that we've been here for quite a while compared to some other teams, and we've done some team bonding and went to Hong Kong and have really enjoyed each other, and everyone's been really welcoming. So our team chemistry has a really good foundation.
All right, and how do you plan on not being complacent, especially knowing that UP, the team you're going up against, is a bunch of college players?
I think the biggest thing that we have to worry about is ourselves and just staying true to our game and playing to our level and continuously getting better at our game. No matter who's on the other side of the net, either a strong team or a very cohesive team like a college team probably is, we just got to play our game.
All right, thanks, Bree, and good luck later. Back to you guys, Boom and Ronnie.
Thank you, Lau. Brianna Lee Mackey. Right now, she's right. In terms of her counterparts, in terms of the reinforcements with the other teams, nauna sila eh.
Right.
Nauna sila, nagkaroon sila ng time.
Team building.
Yes.
Nakabiyahe ng Hong Kong. Of course, yung iba sila Motrell, sila Kaylee Nance, mas nahuling dumating.
Yeah. And then, of course, yung sa
Thai imports.
That's right. Yung sinahuli. Well, nandyan, pero they had to fix a few things before being able to play.
Saka sila walang language barrier. Diba? So, the formula is there para kay Coach Romel. Yun lang talaga, it takes time.
Aquino.
Coach Jerry, of course.
Lumobo na to, ha?
Oo.
Lumobo na to.
At the helm, Coach Jerry for UP. Molde in the middle, gets it through with a block.
Through the block.
Battering the double block. Maski dinaan niya kay Caxit, sa lumusot. Isa Molde trying to be is amazing once again para sa UP.
April
Kathy
Dio
Bersola,
Campo.
serving.
Ganda laro. Iba talaga. Basta gawang SNA. Play full time ng mga banner host.
Yan po talaga pag mapuputi.
Hindi po
Ang
playful
kasama.
yun.
Ang
Totoo yun.
kasama.
Totoo po yun. Kami ni Coach Ronnie. Breakfast at the SCBL in NYC.
Oy.
Never a dull moment watching Pocari Sweat versus his
Michelle
goals.
Gumabao, serving.
Kumusta kayo dyan, mga kababayan, mga kapamilya?
Sorry po, kami ni Coach Ronnie. Kumo-color coding lang po kami.
Ang mabigat po, kawawa si Lau.
Kawawa sila.
Sa pregame, dahil lalong pumuti. Para lang bumalanse.
Sanay naman sila to stand
Oo.
out.
Ngayon lang ako nakita sa loob ng ating kanina ay parang may bagyo. Nandilim.
Nagdilim.
Ang himpapawid.
Dahil
Ang
sa-
kalangitan.
Dahil sa atin.
Oo.
Coach Atoba,
Marian
Badolan,
Miguel,
matutuwa na
serving.
naman yan. 19-13 is our score. 6-point lead for Pocari. Wow. That was a good kill in terms of the power. Just inches to the left.
Chelsea running a piston play na hindi kumonekta.
Serving.
Last ditch effort to fight back, lead down to 5. From a high of 7.
Rona's back. By the way, for those of you who just tuned in, nagtataka nasan si Melissa Gohing. She played in the first set.
At si Nicole Chamson.
Nicole Chamson ay may field trip po. Pero si Melissa naman ay nagkabanggaan sila. Yung tuhod po ni Michelle Gumabao tumama sa katawan ni Liz.
Freak accident eh.
Yeah, medyo, I see her right now. She's laughing there at the bench, but nakita natin naglakad sa harap natin.
Nakahawak.
Oo, medyo-
Saka hindi mo nakikita nakatayo.
Hindi, nananakit eh. So,
Good thing for them, Rica and Clonas really played well.
buti na lang din. Meron silang konting cushion dito.
Oo.
6-point lead and a set in the pocket as you look at her from behind, sitting down. Liz Gohing.
Samalde, serving.
Yan yung fire and ice combo ng Pocari. Of course, the fire will be provided by Mitch Gumabao.
Nakabangga.
Last touch, UP.
Sobrang intense nung dalawa eh. Minsan nagkakabanggaan
Pocari
sila.
Sweat 21, UP
Yun na nangyari.
15.
Ang sarap talaga manood pag yung mga naglalaro talagang
Bigay.
competitor.
Oo, bigay todo.
Doesn't matter whether you're up or down.
17 out,
What's so important
16
is
dadang in.
talaga makikita mo yung paglaban. Gustong palaban talaga, litaw na
Andrea
litaw.
Cassis,
Doesn't matter if you're up
serving.
and down, or in the case of Michelle Gumabo, and she's told me this before, it doesn't matter if she feels out of shape. Kasi sinasabi niya yan dati sa akin.
Titiga
Eh.
talaga yung competitive nature.
Oo, parang hindi siya papayag pa rin eh. Because remember, she is coming from an injury herself prior to the finals.
Tama.
Dahil kinikwento niya, hindi nga siya makatulog ng maayos, hindi siya makabangon ng maayos.
Puro ano yan, puro pain reliever.
Painkillers.
Puro anti-inflammatory
Yes.
meds just to be able to wake up and
Sa
suit off.
abdomen area.
Di biro yun.
22-15.
Guys, sa kayo lang, malayo po eh. Hindi na naman kayo nag-usap. Nagtuturuan na naman kayo sino kukuha ng bola eh, di ba? Di ba? Kailangan may commitment dun sa bola. Tapos pinag-aagawa nyo sa, hindi yung parang ayaw nyo makumit. Malayo pa yan, inaayawan nyo lang. Ha? Tikit lang kayo.
Assistant Coach Candelaria there. Pinabayaan na ni Coach Jerry Yee.
Stepping back.
The UP Lady Maroons.
Serving
And we want to
from
welcome and
Paris
say hi to people
Andrew
here inside the
Francis.
arena. Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Maraming salamat. Boom Gonzalez, Coach Ronnie Magsano, Laura Lehman, Derek Alneri. The helm of our ABS-CBN sports coverage live on SNA HD channel 166.
UP with a last-ditch stand. Backside coming from Kailing. Pinabuka yung blockers. That was a good pass. Unmolested attack. UP finally delivers an attack point. 6 kanilang gustong habulin at murahin.
Kai,
Good save by Maki.
Joust. Send it back to Pokari. C to the middle. And it is Maki putting it away. 23-16.
Mahirap talaga mantayan pag malayo sa net. Pag ganyang katangkad. But once again, Enclona had a lot to do about that last point para dito sa Pokari. A game changer, an impact player. Hindi umatake pero mahusay na depensa. At higit sa lahat, nagsisilbing pangalawang setter para dito sa Pokari Sweat.
Samolde on your screens. Mitch Kumabaw back. Dadang is also in.
Serving.
Labas muna si Giselle. And Kaine Pumuseno. And another perfect spot as Kathy Bersola sends that baby home.
Yung sabi natin, 6-point average for Bersola in the first 3 games for UP. That's a total of 18 points. I believe number 25 sa ating leading scorers.
Dadang gets it through.
Alam mo, naiintindihan na ng Pokari na hindi sila pwedeng volume hitters. They have to be efficient scorers. Konting pasa, kailangan pumuntos, pangbalasa, at yan ang ginagawa ni Tolenada sa opensa ng Pokari.
What about a job, right? Tolenada, good serve there by Bree.
Uy, sa
Bigay kay
likuran.
Buitre,
Oo.
Buitre ginawa ng paraan. Myla also finding a way to give them the winning point kahit na malayo sa kanyang strike zone yung set. Na natin to, malayo sa kanyang gusto or kinahihiligan pero ginawa ng paraan at Isa Molde couldn't handle that attack from Myla Pablo. She goes for the kill. Yan po ang ating Shakey's shake and play of the set. 2 sets in the back pocket of Pokari Sweat Lady Warriors. Third set po sa aming pagbabalik.